Today I will show you how to make money online by liking videos. So stay with me until the end of the video. So first I want to visit this website. As you can see here on your homepage, the workers are happy and most importantly, it works simply. So all you have to do is sign up these jobs. We review ourselves. We choose the work we like and then we approve it before submitting the document. After that we receive our salary immediately. Let's see here to get cash now. Click this button to register properly and this will take you to this page where you have to fill in all the required information. So enter your email address, create a password and then just select your country of residence. From here, as you notice, it is available worldwide, so you can apply this method whenever you're after watching this video. Then tick I'm not a robot before clicking create an account. Agree to their terms and condition. Once you're done, you need to get your email address verified before they active your account. So just go to your inbox and click on the available link in the email that we sent to you. You'll log in into your account. So this website is called Rapid Workers. The earning potential on this site is incredible. In fact, you can earn not only by liking video, but also by registering, visiting the site, installing app, following Twitter accounts, playing games, create Gmail accounts, and etc. get paid. But the most profitable and easiest thing is to see, like, and share YouTube videos. Now, as you can see, when you look at the page, there are different things that you can do. Each of them has its own information, like the amount of money you can earn for each one, how long it takes to complete the job, if it's still active or not the job is done, and much more. The continuity of more jobs that are not marked international or to the countries they are from. They are not relevant because it's against the rule. Now, like I said, we are going to focus on tasks that involve things video. So in the search bar here, we are going to search for YouTube, and then we can assign tasks based on how much money you can make, receive, obtain, arrange. To do this, we simply pay on the highest and we can see the most profitable tasks first. Let's take a closer look at these takes. 12 cents. It's only take 10 minutes to complete. When you click on it, invites to this page where we can see the full details, so you can see how much work you've done, how much money you earn, the time it took to complete the campaign ID and name, and whenever it's available internationally or country specific, as well as complete instructions and required proofs after completing the job. Now all you have to do is follow all the instructions to complete the job too, and when it is done you will get paid as easily as did. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.